something I've never seen before. This is so beautiful, so amazing. Oh my god, look at this. Can't even open my eyes.
We have 1000 waterfall and around 1000 stairs also here.
Tumpak Sewu translates to 1000 waterfalls. But no one warns you about the 1000 slippery bamboo stairs you have to climb down to get here. Is it actually worth the risk? Let's find out.
It's 5:30 a.m. and we are going to baby Mount Fuji mountain to see the view. We have reached Mount Semeru.
Locals call this mountain as Mahameru. In Hindu mythology, it's believed to be a piece of a sacred Mount Meru that landed here in Java. So for a lot of people, this isn't just a mountain. It's genuinely a holy ground.
This place is Semeru. This is the viewpoint of this beautiful mountain. This is an active volcano which was last erupted in December. It's like not continuously erupting, but it's still active. Hey Eco, smile for my camera. So a guide gave me this dish. I can't even figure out what's the name, and he told me, but I don't know. It's sweet.
After peak fast, we didn't check out. We left our bags in room and headed straight to Tumpak Sewu. This waterfall is one of the most famous in Java. Some people also call it Little Niagara of
So what's your
Indonesia.
size?
5.
35.
38.
38.
39.
39.
You use UK size, right?
Right, UK says.
We reached the Tumpak Sewu parking. From here we got our shoes rented. It was 20,000 Indonesian rupees. It's quite cheap, and it's gonna be. Thank you. We met our guide here. He's the one. What is this?
Mangosteen.
What?
Mangosteen.
Oh. Never ate.
This the taste very. So this, what is this? Oh, the snap fruit.
Oh.
Snap fruit. So this one about the flower. This indication fruit inside, like for the example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 6 mangosteen inside. That's true. This the indication.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, you try before like this mangosteen.
No.
You know how to open this one? Where? First, you can press like this one. Slowly. You should try the taste.
This one?
Yeah. So it is safe, my friend.
Is it safe to eat?
Safe. Not 50-50.
It's good.
How about the taste?
It tastes really good.
Sweet and little bit sour, right?
Yeah, it's good. we are heading to the bottom of this beautiful waterfall. It's almost 1 kilometer down the hill.
The name actually 1000 waterfall.
Oh wow.
Sewu, that means 1000.
Okay.
So we have 1000 waterfall and around 1000 stairs also here.
Wow.
The hike down is the part most of the people do not warn you about. There are bamboo stairs and ladders built by local community, and it gets steep and slippery, especially if it rained recently. So proper shoes are a must. A lot of people hire a local guide for this part, and it is absolutely necessary. A guide honestly makes a huge difference. Our knew exactly where it was safe to step and where it wasn't. Along the way, he took lots of pictures and videos of ours, and he knew so many spots where you can take the picture perfect. It took us around 40 to 45 minutes, but it felt way longer. Every step down, we were just focused 1 foot at a time. As we reaching the bottom, I was just amazed. The whole landscape down there was stunning. The green canyon wrapped around us, mist floating everywhere, and this massive wall of waterfalls crashing down right in front of us. It genuinely didn't feel real, standing there so small compared to all of it. No photo or video really does it justice.
This is something I've never seen before. This is so beautiful, so amazing. Damn, I just want to stay here. Oh my God, look at this. Can't even open my eyes. Oh, wow.
Before we know, it was time to head back. And honestly, before we go, I have to talk about guides here in Indonesia because they were next level. Their whole mission is basically to make sure you leave with the best experience possible. They are grabbing your phone, taking photos, taking videos, telling you exactly where to stand, how to pose. Look here, now this angle, now walk into the water a bit. Genuinely felt like we had our own personal photographer the entire time. It's such a small thing, but it makes such a difference.
Oh, it's really hard walking up. It's almost like a straight hike, but with stairs, it's making more difficult. But I guess it was all worth it before, right? The smoking culture here is massive. It's like everybody is smoking every single time, be it very early morning around 5 or evening or dinner or lunch, breakfast, and even the kids. Yeah, this is something I really noticed, which I personally don't appreciate. Yes!
I'll conquer my enemies.
We finally made it, and now we are having some water, some coffee, and he's having a coconut milk. How's it?
Good, but too much water.
Okay, we are finally out. Next stop is Bromo. We are gonna see another waterfall, Kapas Biru. They have many other waterfalls as well. This is like a very famous spot where people just sit on top of the waterfall and then get clicked.
Honestly, with only 4 days in Java, we were rushing between spots this whole trip. There was just so much to see in this area alone. Way more than 4 days could ever cover. But we did what we could with the time we had.
So these guys have these.
This is the
Sorry.
cereal.
Oh, where's the cappuccino gone? Okay, here. They have these instant coffees there. It's very famous. So if you are traveling, if you don't find a coffee, just ask for these packets and they pour you. And they're really nice in taste.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this.
The taste is chicken soup.
Okay.
Flavor.
This one, I'm taking this one. Okay, this one. Thanks.
There is tofu, fried tofu.
Ah, no.
Fried tofu. Then they have a special sauce.
Mmm.
Sweet spicy.
Mmm. We're stuck at beautiful location. This is so beautiful. Oh my god.
You can use the umbrella.
That's fine. This is one of those cafes which I have been seeing on the internet, like must visit cafe. Okay, we reached Bromo and it's a very beautiful town. It's all dark right now because we took so long on the road. It's really pretty. It has lots of hotels and it's cold out here. And thank God we both brought jacket this time because last time when we visited Vietnam and we traveled all in the hills and we didn't have any jackets or pants at all.
Finally, the day ended, but our adventure isn't. Tomorrow at 3 a.m., we are hoping to see a sunrise at Mount Bromo. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the ultimate Java finale. Till then, keep smiling, keep traveling, and I will see you in my next video. Ta-da!